What's poppin', JDs? As you can see, they had a couple just sitting there for first come, first serve. Your boy got one in the bag. Let's go.